Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we're going to talk about Insta360 error code 7002. The error reads, "Wi-Fi connection failed. Please try again." This error comes when users try to connect their Insta360 camera to Wi-Fi or set up cloud storage, but the connection fails and shows the error. According to our research, this error is likely caused by firmware issues or Wi-Fi compatibility problems, especially with the 5 GHz band. Now let's talk about the troubleshooting steps you can try. The first thing we suggest is to check if your Insta360 camera is updated to the latest firmware version. If not, update it and check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, disconnect Insta360 from the internet. Then restart the camera and try connecting again to see if the error still comes. If the error still persists, try switching your Wi-Fi between the 5 GHz band and the 2.4 GHz band, and then try to connect again. If the error still continues, try connecting over a different Wi-Fi network or a mobile hotspot and see if this resolves the error. At last, if you still get the error, we suggest you contact Insta360 support and report the issue. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.